Happy Wellness Wednesday, guys. I'm sipping on this pina colada. I'll tell you, I've been on these products for a couple of months. We've got a bunch of products for people to be able to choose from, whatever you guys are looking to experience. I want to say we don't make any medical claims. These products are not meant to treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. You're going to hear everybody's experiences and testimonials in here is unique to them. You may not have the same exact result. You may have a better result. You'll never know until you try the products. And I love what the products have done for you. For me, I gotta tell you, I'm so addicted. This stuff has completely curbed my appetite and cravings. I don't drink soda hardly ever. When I go out to eat, sometimes I'll drink a soda, and even then I don't love it. But usually I used to drink a soda every day. I've replaced it with this, and we're talking about berberine in here. We're talking about 10 grams of collagen per serving, which is why my hair is like growing like crazy. This nail right here, I'm not flipping you guys off. This nail right here used to crack. Every week it would crack, right? It would grow and it would crack. It was the weirdest thing. And it's not cracking anymore. My nails are stronger. My skin feels and looks great. My hair's grown out of control. I'm down 10 pounds personally in the past couple of months since starting back with this company. And I'm completely hooked mentally. Like this gives me such a brain boost. My concentration, my focus through the roof. But that's been my experience.
I'm so excited to share my experience because I'm loving the coffee. The pina colada is amazing and it tastes great, but I was drinking 3 to 4 Starbucks a day. You know how expensive it is? You know how bad that is and how much sugar is in there? Nothing compares to these products. And as far as the pina colada goes, that taste, that'll curb anything for your afternoon. If you need something sweet, if you need a pick-me-up, a brain boost. So I am in love with these products. But I haven't been this excited about my results and the products and the leadership here and just the community of everybody getting together and helping each other. I see a lot of people saying that these products are desserts. I know the chat's going to get me a little distracted, but that's okay. So far, starting these products in January, I'm down almost 15 pounds. My belly bloat almost gone. The clarity and mental focus, and I was diagnosed I think about a year and a half ago with adult ADHD, and I'm not making any medical claims, but I was scatterbrained. As a mom, you're already scatterbrained. You're busy. You got 10 million things you're thinking about, and this just calms everything down. It helps me focus in on what I'm doing at that time. So I love that about these products as well. So not only am I getting the weight loss, the toning up that I was looking for, I'm also getting that mood boost and that focus and mental clarity that I've been looking for years in products, and we have it here. So I'm so excited.
Well, first of all, congratulations. 15 pounds. That's major. Like I've known people that have been on diets, that have tried, so many things. 15 pounds would be life changing. It would be a breakthrough, and have gone, months and over a year to be able to try to do that. So you did that in 2 months. Okay. So what have you done? What changes have you made? What have you implemented with that, along with the products over the last couple of months?
So I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. My diet is not the greatest. I'm always on the go.
Yeah.
Work all the time. So when I'm hungry, I eat. But with these products, curbing my appetite and making me make better choices. I crave water now. I had to have something in my water to drink it before. Now I'm craving more water. I'm craving more of the healthier options when I have access to it. But I didn't get to mention that I'm also using the green Elevate as well. Okay. The green cap. Now I started with the coffee, and I wanted a little more of the gut health because of my because of always being on the go, I wanted something to help me. And I love Grains products, but I wanted a capsule that was easy for me to just take on the go and go. I'm running 24/7. My energy has to be up. I got to keep going. As you can tell in my voice a little bit from the weather change and from constantly going, that I need something to give me them greens and give me all of that good stuff that the green capsule. So I'm real excited about that. Just my digestion and the bloat from the green capsule. And it also gives you mental clarity and focus as well. So
It
it's just
does.
like double dipping on two products that, I mean, they're under $100 a month. That is crazy.
I'm glad you mentioned that because these are amazing. There are other amazing products, and I think it's important for people to know that because some people might not love coffee. Some people might not love a drink, right? So we do have capsules. We do have options for people. Get to know what products are available and try the products. And you never know what's going to specifically work for you or be your go-to. I take these capsules every day. There is such a thing as nootropic stacking. Lion's mane, cordyceps give you an amazing brain boost. And there's also that in here, as well as a time release formula for energy that you get a sustained energy throughout the day. And there are a ton of products, but you have such an amazing story. And you had mentioned to me earlier that you were super skeptical. Why is that?
I was, because I've tried a lot of products. I've
Yeah.
wasted so much money on the Me Too products and the hype of a product. Oh, you got to try this and switching to the next best thing. I have found my home here, and I mean it checks every one of the boxes as far as the ingredients in the products. There's a product for everyone. It's so affordable that you can use 2 and 3 products without going broke. I know in other companies, I was spending $200 to $300 a month for like 3 products, and it's not feasible at this time in this economy. People want something that
Yes.
they're going to be able to just share with their friends and take themselves, that they can actually afford. I mean,
And that's a good point that you bring up, to be honest, because I've been in companies or heard about systems that are 200-300 bucks a month per person to be able to try. Most people are already spending their money somewhere. This actually has saved me a lot of money. I don't spend money on energy drinks anymore. I don't spend money on sodas anymore. I am gonna have to buy new clothes because I'm gonna have to buy a little bit slimmer fitting clothes, right? Which is cool. But that's a huge benefit to what we offer as well, guys. 15 pounds is awesome. Big congrats. And all the other bonuses, it's not weight loss. It's so much more than weight loss, have been huge, right?
it's changing so many aspects of my life, not only the energy, the mood boost, the weight loss, but it's doing so much. It is a lifestyle change. It's that boost you need to get the results that you're looking for. And I really appreciate you having me on, and this was amazing. I appreciate it so
Absolutely.
much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks, guys, for hopping on. Happy Wellness Wednesday. We'll see you guys next week.